What dark secrets lurk in the depths where science meets nightmare in an abandoned underwater clinic built inside a prehistoric megalodon's jaws? Deep beneath the waves lies a forbidden testament to human ambition gone wrong. The Shark Dentist facility, once a groundbreaking research center, now stands as a haunting reminder of experiments that crossed ethical boundaries. Dr. Marcus Chen, a brilliant marine biologist, believed he could unlock the key to enhanced intelligence in marine predators. His research logs detail increasingly disturbing trials, combining shark DNA with human cognitive elements. The facility itself tells a chilling story. Sophisticated surgical equipment, now corroded by salt water, lines the walls of operating theaters carved into the massive jaw structure. Within the deteriorating laboratory, tanks still hold specimens that defy scientific explanation. Most disturbing are the detailed records of successful intelligence enhancement procedures, suggesting the creation of predators with human-level reasoning capabilities. But the most terrifying discovery came from recent sonar readings. The enhanced specimens were not terminated as officially reported. They escaped. Intelligence agencies have tracked unusual patterns in shark behavior worldwide, indicating coordinated movements that suggest communication and strategic thinking. These creatures now possess the cognitive ability to organize, plan, and potentially challenge humanity's dominance of the seas. What happens when the apex predators of the ocean learn to think like us? Are we ready for what we've created? In 1962, a classified military project called the Shark Dentist vanished without a trace, along with 37 naval personnel. What they discovered in those depths would change humanity forever. Through these ancient megalodon jaws, we enter the forgotten underwater facility, where bioluminescent algae cast an eerie glow across walls lined with disturbing medical charts. Each diagram shows impossible combinations of shark and human anatomy, signed off by military officials at the highest levels. The truth becomes clear as we move deeper into the facility. This was no ordinary dental clinic. Thick glass tanks line the corridors, containing grotesque figures suspended in murky fluid. Their bodies are twisted combinations of human and shark, failed experiments in a desperate attempt to create the perfect aquatic soldier. Government records show millions in black budget funding approved for genetic splicing procedures, with entire naval crews listed as test subjects. The hybrid creatures track our movements through clouded eyes, their mutations leaving them trapped between two worlds. But something far worse lurks in the darkness beyond these walls. A massive shape glides past the observation windows, larger than any known species. The facility groans under immense pressure. Glass begins to crack. Water rushes in. The truth dies here, in the crushing depths where monsters swim free. Deep beneath the waves lies a secret that was never meant to surface. What drove a brilliant dental surgeon to become his own final experiment? Water floods the abandoned clinic as alarms pierce the darkness. Through swirling debris and shattered glass, we discover the true extent of the shark dentist's obsession. Years of perfecting hybrid creatures led to this moment, his masterpiece hidden in the central chamber. The massive containment tank holds something unprecedented, a fusion of man and great white shark. Surgical tools permanently grafted into enhanced jaw structures. This was no mere experiment. Every calculated modification, every precise enhancement points to a chilling truth. The shark dentist didn't just want to create, he wanted to evolve. His own DNA merged with that of nature's perfect predator. Enhanced by years of surgical expertise, the hybrid's eyes open, revealing an intelligence that transcends both species. Its teeth, hauntingly human yet razor-sharp, align with mechanical precision inside its massive jaw. The facility's emergency lights pulse in rhythm with the creature's strengthening heartbeat. The tank's reinforced walls begin to crack as the hybrid flexes its augmented form. This is the dawn of a new apex predator, one that brings humanity's quest for perfection to its terrifying conclusion. Could we have prevented science from going too far, or was this evolution inevitable? What terrifying secrets lurk beneath the surface when science goes too far, and who will survive the nightmare that follows? Deep beneath the ocean's surface, in a classified research facility, Dr. Marcus Chen's groundbreaking fusion of shark and human DNA created something unprecedented. The hybrid specimen grew faster than anyone anticipated, displaying remarkable intelligence and an insatiable hunger. When the containment protocols failed, chaos erupted throughout the underwater complex. Security footage captured the horror as the creature moved with impossible speed through the flooded corridors, hunting the surviving staff with methodical precision. Sarah Chen, the lead researcher's daughter, discovered encrypted files revealing the true scope of these illegal experiments. Corporate interests had pushed the boundaries of evolution, violating every ethical standard in their pursuit of biological weapons. The hybrid wasn't just an accident. It was the first success in a series of planned mutations. As Sarah and the remaining survivors raced through the facility's crumbling infrastructure, they realized the hybrid is herding them towards something in the deepest level. Each sealed door they pass reveals more test subjects, more mutations, more evidence of humanity's hubris. The facility's walls groan under intense pressure, and through the reinforced windows, massive shadows circle in the darkness. The hybrid isn't the only thing they created, and what lurks in those depths might change our understanding of evolution forever. Could nature's perfect predator be our own creation? Ancient cave markings told of beings neither shark nor human, but something in between. Deep beneath the Pacific, marine biologist Dr. Sarah Chen discovered more than hieroglyphs. She found a forgotten medical facility. As her team decoded symbols on the walls, their sonar detected massive movement in the depths below. The rusted surgical tools and scattered records hinted at experiments that should have stayed buried. Something survived down here, waiting in the darkness. What horrors did our ancestors create in these halls of transformation? The truth circles beneath us, watching.